If you're experiencing audio desync issues in Minecraft, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to restore proper audio synchronization in the game. Step 1. Check audio settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the audio settings. Ensure that all audio sliders are set to appropriate levels and that the correct output device is selected. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Install the updates and restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. Step 3. Adjust game settings. In Minecraft, go to the video settings and lower the graphics settings. Sometimes, high graphics settings can cause performance issues, leading to audio desync. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and may help improve audio synchronization. Step 5. Reinstall Minecraft. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Minecraft. If problems continue, consider seeking help from community forums or support channels.